Growing up, I was told there was no place for someone like me in football. And being LGBTQ+ and an athlete didn't go together. But today isn't about me. It's about every single person standing in this crowd that's told that they don't belong. I want you to reject anyone or anything that ever made you feel like you don't belong or fit in. Many of us didn't grow up being ourselves. We grow up fighting battles we never asked for just to exist. But when the moment comes and we take the mask off, everything changes. We find freedom, we find home, we find each other. When I look out at this crowd today, I don't just see flags and colours. I see stories, brave stories. I see fighters. I see survivors. I see people who refuse to disappear. I wish my parents could see me today, to see that little boy that wanted to disappear stand here, not because I changed, but because I embraced who I am. I have one message to leave all of you tonight, and it's this. Each generation is told to be quieter, but every single generation coming on is going to be louder, and that's exactly what we'll keep doing. Look, people don't have to like you, they don't have to love you, but at the end of the day, when you go home and you look at the mirror, you make sure you fucking love what you see. Thank you so much! Happy Pride! Fight Amsterdam!